The Atlanta Falcons' newest weapon is running back Steven Jackson. While he didn't have the debut that he wanted in the team's loss to the Saints in Week 1, there were flashes of brilliance that showed what the 29-year-old running back is still capable of.
Steven Jackson found a huge hole.
Jackson rushed for 77 yards on just 11 carries in Week 1. Getting more out of Jackson may be a matter of getting him more involved. But QB Matt Ryan acknowledges that Jackson's role won't be the same every week.
The game kind of dictates, a lot of what we do in terms of running and passing. Obviously, we'd love to be split 50-50 right down the middle. I think every team would, but we know that's kind of unrealistic.
Jackson made 5 catches last Sunday, but had only 11 carries. Not a typical load for a feature back. At least for now, Jackson is taking a team-first attitude.
No, I'm not disappointed. I understand that this team presents a lot of different weapons, and, we have to spread the ball out, but the only thing I'm disappointed about is not coming up, with the win on Sunday.
As fate would have it, Jackson's Atlanta Falcons' home debut will come against the St. Louis Rams, the team with whom Jackson spent all 9 years of his career prior to this one. At least publicly, Jackson is downplaying the importance of Sunday's opponent.
I think it's going to be exciting. I had to go out there and treat this game as a normal Sunday, like I have the last 10 years of my career. Don't try to get caught up in the emotion of it. I want to make sure that I'm dialed in, that I'm focused, and going out there executing the game plan and playing at a high level.
Jackson says his knowledge of the Rams' playbook won't be of much use this Sunday, but don't expect him to take it easy on his former team.
Oh, it's definitely going to be competitive out there. No holds bar. No one's holding anything back. I've assured them that they will see what they watched on Sundays for the last 9 years. So it won't be no brother-in-law situation going on Sunday.
It's difficult to win a championship without at least some balance on offense. Last season, the Falcons nearly pulled it off despite finishing 29th in rushing. This season, the Falcons are counting on Steven Jackson's legs to take them one step closer to the championship. From the Georgia Dome, I'm Douglas Murphy.